Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So DJI has just launched the highly anticipated Mavic 4 Pro. So in this video we're just going to do a quick unboxing to check it out and see what all comes inside the package. Now by the time you're watching this unboxing video, I'll have already uploaded my full review video. So if you want to learn everything about it, everything that's new, then definitely go and check that out. I will include a link to my review down in the description of this video. Now today I'm going to be unboxing the Creator Combo. Essentially this comes with the drone, 3 batteries, a charging hub, charging brick. It comes with a case, the RC Pro 2. It also has 512 gigabytes of storage. Now they're going to have other packages available. They'll have a base kit, which is basically the drone. It doesn't have the 512 onboard storage. It comes with 1 battery and the RC2 controller. You can also get the base kit as a Fly More combo as well, which is essentially the same as this package, the Creator Combo, but it's going to come with the RC2 instead of the RC Pro 2. It's not going to have the 512 gigabytes of storage. So with all that said, let's just take a quick look at it here. So we'll pull it out here. So you can see we have the case here. It's very similar to the case that came with the Air 3 series, except it is a little bit bigger. And it's a nice black color. The Air 3 was a gray color, and this one's black. Actually looks really nice. Has a strap at the back here, so that can be put on luggage if you're going to be using this like a carry-on. We have 2 pockets, 1 on each side. And then of course we have a latch to keep it closed. It has some basic information. If you are purchasing this, of course, if you want the full user manual, you can download it on the DJI website. This is more of just a quick start guide. So let's start with the battery hub, the charging hub. As you can see, the charging hub looks very similar to the charging hub that came with the Air 3, Air 3S. It's rated for 51 minutes of flight time, I believe. And the interesting thing is this charging hub is now a parallel charging hub. As you can see, it has its own power connector. This kit comes with a charging brick, a 240 watt charging brick. And what that does, it allows you to charge all 3 batteries simultaneously in about 90 minutes. So we got the 2 batteries there. The 3rd battery will be inside the drone. Here we have a package that has all our spare props. Indeed, lots of props. Now, I'm not sure if the drone already has some props pre-installed, but if not, we have lots there. Now, I'm going to take this box out. I do believe this is the charger, the 240 watt charger. Now, as you can see in that box, the charging brick was not in there. These are just the cords, cables I should say. And they give you cables for almost every type of outlet, depending where you live in the world. So I guess that's kind of nice if you're going to be traveling with your Mavic 4 Pro. You'll be able to take the appropriate end with you. So that's really interesting. So somewhere down in there will be the actual brick. Here, let's take out the controller. This is the new RC Pro 2 controller, which I'm actually really excited about. A lot of upgrades compared to the old RC Pro controller. Now, some of the main upgrades to this new controller is that it has a larger screen, a 7-inch screen. The screen is brighter. It can go up to 2000 nits of peak brightness. It's rotatable and it's foldable. As you can see, it's in its folded state right now, but it does pull out. And as you can see, as soon as you pull it out, it does power on. The sticks on this are foldable and it works in conjunction with this arm here. As you can see, when we go to fold it in, the sticks automatically fold down in. So that's actually a nice little feature. There's a lot of other interesting things about this controller, which we will cover in a future video. It has a built-in microphone. You can see we have HDMI, we have a micro SD card. There's 128 gigabytes of storage built into it. We have a new dial here. I'm not sure what that's for yet, but we will figure all that out. So yeah, really nice new controller. So down here below the controller, here is the actual power brick. This is 240 watts. That's what allows the batteries to be simultaneously charged in 90 minutes. And then you would just use it in conjunction with whatever type of cable you need, depending where you live in the world. And on the side of it there, it does have a USB-C port. That way you can charge up the controller. Also in there was a USB-C to USB-C cable. And they've upgraded the cables this year. As you can see, they now have a braided cable. So that's actually really nice. Nice heavy duty cable. Now all that's left here is the drone, so let's go ahead and we will take that out. And I'm just going to move this case out of the way just so we have more room to look at it. So there we go there. So here is the drone, and yes, it does have the props already installed. It has a gimbal guard, a little bit different styling than that of the Mavic 3 series. Front here we have the new infinity gimbal, lots of new features, which again I'll go over all in my full review. This can film in true vertical. That means it can, just like the Mini 4 Pro, can turn to the side, and it can spin 360 degrees, which allows you to get a little bit creative. Let's go ahead here. We're going to unfold it, and just like the Flip, one of the new features of the Mavic 4 Pro is that it will automatically power on when we unfold it. Because this is brand new and this battery hasn't been activated, it didn't go ahead and power on there. But that is one of the new features. As soon as you unfold it, it will power on. Of course, that can be disabled in the settings if you don't like that. We have LiDAR here at the front, so that's going to enhance safety when it comes to return to home, especially in low-lit situations. We've got an all-new tri-camera obstacle avoidance system. We have 3 cameras there on the top, and we have 3 cameras on the bottom. They are higher resolution cameras, so that's going to allow it to see finer detail. Now, just like all these drones when they're brand new, there's going to be some firmware that needs to be updated, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. As mentioned, this is just an unboxing to take a quick look at the equipment. I've already uploaded my full review if you want to learn more about it. All the new features, there's a lot of new stuff with the Mavic 4 Pro. And again, if this is a drone you're interested in, make sure you're subscribed, as I will be covering this drone fully over the coming weeks and months. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and found it had value. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next one.